Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi A1, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications straight from the top, extend the list, and one of the toggles you should see hotspot. For me, it's right over here. Now the first time around, when getting around this, you want to hold this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how, or not how, but what the password is. Now by default it is some randomly generated one, so you want to probably change it. So as you've seen, you want to click Wi-Fi hotspot, and then right here we'll have hotspot password selected, and this is already changed. So it needs to have at least 8 characters in length, that's why it's 1 through 8. And that's basically everything that I would recommend changing. Obviously you can change other things, like turn off hotspot automatically, which I do recommend having enabled. And you can extend compatibility, but this will drain your battery a little bit quicker. Now if it's off, I believe it's only going to be using 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. With it enabled, probably it might also add 5 gigahertz, but like I said, more battery. And from there we can close this, and whenever you want to use our hotspot, let's find the toggle, and this time around just press on it, and now you can connect to your hotspot whenever you want with a simple press of a button and obviously the password. And with that being said, once you're done with it, you can turn it off manually instead of waiting for the automatic turn off by just tapping on it once more, and voila, it's now off. And the reason why I also am saying to turn it off or have that option enabled is because hotspot consumes in general more of your battery life. So with it enabled, if you're not really using it, there is no point for it to be running, so I recommend turning it off. And anyway, so if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.